fucking boy might be in the ass one day, but people don't know that when they got two turn lanes, you go into the far right. I go into the far right. He goes into the far left, or she. Dude, two fucking turn lanes. What are you talking about? Literally ran that stop sign. All the people are working here today. Imagine.
Used to fuck around in the nighttime. Used to feel like that shit was my lifeline. Yeah, we kept it cool, feeling so high. Young soul